Welcome, Ferganized here. This is the 9th day of our journey to Roatan, Honduras. And in this video, we are currently on our way back. This is our second sea day on the Carnival Jubilee. We've shown you around the ship, and for a day that was supposed to be uneventful, it was very eventful, with the medical evacuation performed flawlessly by the U.S. Coast Guard.
Welcome to the Ferganized YouTube channel. We're enjoying life to the fullest here through travel and music. Nothing can beat that.
Okay, here comes the Jayhawk helicopter now. This is one of the Coast Guard's main rescue aircraft. It's fast, powerful, and built to handle bad weather and emergencies at sea. First, the pilot positions the helicopter over the ship while the rescue crew looks for a safe place to lower their equipment. Notice how they hold a steady hover even though the ship is moving. That takes incredible skill. Next, they lower a highly trained rescue specialist who can perform advanced first aid and a basket using a hoist cable. While this is happening, the ship's crew works with the Coast Guard to clear an area and prepare the patient. Everyone on deck has to stay back because of the wind from the rotors and the swinging cable. When the basket comes down, the crew carefully loads the patient inside. The Coast Guard keeps constant radio contact to make sure everything goes smoothly. Once secured, the basket is lifted straight up into the helicopter. They repeat this process for each person needing evacuation. After the pickup, the helicopter heads straight to the shore, usually to a hospital or trauma center. This quick response can be the difference between life and death, especially when you're far out at sea. In the end, just take a look at my shirt. But really, just being funny, guys. I'm going to tag that shirt in the video, and if you'd like to purchase it, please go ahead.